In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious sweet milk soup. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 6 cups of milk, 2 cups of water, 1 pack of Fideo pasta, 1 pack of vanilla sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. In a pot over heat, we're going to start by adding in the water. To the water, we're going to add in the milk. Now we're going to season with the salt. Add the butter. And the sugar and mix until completely combined. Now we're going to add in our vanilla sugar packet. Add in the pasta and cook thoroughly. Our sweet milk soup is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.